everyone, I am Janvi of class 7th. I study in Khemo Devi Public School. Today I am going to tell you some benefits of yoga. First benefit is yoga improves flexibility, strength and balance. Second, yoga helps with back pain relief. Third, yoga helps heart health. Fourth is yoga help you manage stress. Fifth is yoga relaxes you to help you sleep better. Sixth is yoga promotes your better self-care. Seventh, yoga increases your blood flow. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Janvi of class 7. I study in Khemo Devi Public School. Today I am doing some yoga poses. Pose 1 is tree pose. This is our tree pose. Our pose number 2 is mountain pose. This is our mountain pose. Our pose number 3 is kite pose. This is our child pose. Our pose number 5 is butterfly pose. This is our butterfly pose. Our pose number 6 is cobra pose. This is our cobra pose. Our pose number 6 is triangle pose. This is our triangle pose. Thank you.
I am Dipanshu. Today I am going to tell you something on International Yoga Day. I read in 7th class. My school name is Khemo Devi Public School. First, ma'am, I do tree pose. Ma'am, second is mountain pose. Ma'am, third pose is child pose. Ma'am, fourth is triangle pose. Ma'am, fifth is butterfly pose.
Hello everyone, my name is Jessica. I am of 11 years. I studied in 7th standard in Khemo Devi Public School. In this video, I will tell some lines about Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated by every year on June 21. It is the first started by our President, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. He celebrated Yoga Day for the first time on June 21 in 2015, after which Yoga Day starting being celebrated all over the world on June 15. It will turned into International Yoga Day. The festival of yoga is celebrated every year by the Minister of Ayush. Yoga is a process in which man tries to bring the mind, body and soul together. Yoga is a Sanskrit word to meet, be united. Yoga organized for India culture. People have been practiced yoga since above 5,000 years ago. People does not have physical fitness primary in yoga. People try to control their body, mind, thought, mental focus and breathing. In men teach yoga, the man called yogis, and if women teach yoga, they can called yoginis. Yoga Sutra is a 2000 years book. This is the only book in which the written word of yoga has been founded in the book, the oldest book about yoga. And benefits of yoga. Yoga is the only process in which you can exercise without any equipment, not with any, but it is yoga. You can drive away your desert With yoga, you can increase the physical fitness. If you flexible in one's body, then you can pain which will less, and doing yoga can relax your mind. Thank you.